Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this body yaddy yaddy. I think this is like a 12-inch, but I did cut it down a little bit. But they sent me this bob wig and I'm living for it. Like stiff wear. But anyways, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Ooh, this is a fat package. So I got this little pouch and some stocking cap. I don't need it right now, but I do I'll use it in the future obviously, but I didn't use it because I already had one. And they sent you how to carry like a user guide for the wig. Let me see what's in this. So they sent me this little head thingy. It's an elastic band for your hair, some mirror, and some baby hair comb. And obviously this wig, I did go ahead and I showed you guys what the inside of the wig looks like and all of that before I did any type of installing on the wig. So you guys will definitely see that. But yeah, this is what they sent to me and this is the result I got. So if you guys want to see how I got my hair to look like this and you know the finessing that I did, then definitely keep on watching. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Honestly guys, I haven't done a bob in a long time, and I was okay. So at first when I just got this bob, before I got this bob I was very excited because I'm like, I want to try a bob wig. I haven't done a bob wig in a long time and I need to do one. I don't care, I need to do one. So I chose this wig, and then when the wig came and I realized that I didn't have the parting space right here, because literally you only get a parting space right here. So that was the first thing. So I noticed that I didn't have the parting space all over, and also this lace was not HD lace. And you know I live for HD laces, because why not? Why do I need to put in all that work when I could just do that? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I was disappointed at the fact that I didn't have the you know, the parting space all over, and the fact that it is not HD lace. However, this is a cheaper version of a frontal wig. It's still a frontal because you have the entire, you know, front part, but you don't get the parting space all over. However, the upside to that is the fact that it is cheaper than the regular frontal that has, you know, the parting space all over. That would be a little more expensive. So if you're a person that you don't really care to do much parting, because I can't part it in the middle and I can't part it on this side, but if you don't really care, then this can work for you and you'll be looking bougie on a budget. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Because you know, medium brown lace is much cheaper than HD lace, and not having all that parting space is much cheaper than the full parting. So baby, you be looking bad as F on a budget, and I love it. Like, it's cute. Like, it's actually cute. I wish I didn't have more wigs to do and I would not have taken it off, but it's cute. It's giving something, very much something. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and once again I would love to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, and if I have a coupon, I think I might have a coupon, it'll be down in a coupon code, then it will be down in the description box as well. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.